Let me take you through creating a brand new class team. Simply go to the Teams tab and you'll see in the top corner here, join or create a team. Clicking on that takes me to the ability to create a team. Clicking on create team then gives me my options, class, professional learning community, staff, and other. Today we'll be focused on the class team. Clicking on that, create a name. I'm going to call this B103 Business Studies. And you can see here we could also then give it a description and reuse an existing team as a template. So great if you want to carry over structure from previous teaching semesters. When I go and click next, then the team is created. Now you'll see here I can then add teachers or students. Simply click on the three-dot ellipses for more options and click Get Link to Team. You can see here I'll click Copy. I'm just going to use an email really quickly and send that out to my students. Our other option to add in students quickly is also then using the joiner code. So if I click again on the ellipses to go to Manage Team, you'll see here from Settings, the team code. Click on Generate. If you're doing this remotely, this is where we can just copy that code itself, and I'm now going to be able to distribute that to my students. Anyone who types in this code will be instantly added to the team. As a best practice, you should create a channel for each week or each topic that you have as a core part of the lesson and course that you're going to be teaching. You can see here right now we only have a general channel. What I'm going to do is add in a few more channels, and this will also help to then structure where we have our online meetings. I'm going to go over to add a channel. I'm going to call this Week 1 Entrepreneurship. You can see I have the ability to give it a description. One thing I would recommend for anything that you want all students to see, if you click automatically show this channel, it will pin it so it's available on the left-hand side. I'm going to leave it like this and click Add. You can see, just like that, we now have Week 1 Entrepreneurship, and I'll add another channel just for another quick example. We'll call this one Week 2 Market Trends. Each channel has its own conversation space where you can post a message. It has its own file space, so you'll see when I click on Files. So this is really great if you want to have then different sort of files in different channels. The class materials is by default always in, of course, the general channel.
Assignments in Teams allows you to complete the full life cycle of an assignment without leaving Teams. By clicking the Create button, you have the choice of creating a new assignment, a quiz with Microsoft Forms, or use an existing assignment again. Let's start by creating an assignment from scratch. On the new assignment screen, provide a title, any assignment-specific instructions that you would like to display for the students, and the completion details, including the date and time due, classes or groups which it will be assigned to, and if you will accept late turn-ins. Additionally, you can schedule the posting of an assignment to a date and time in the future. Scheduling your assignments in this way allows you to pace your class assignments throughout the semester and ensures that students will not see the details of an assignment until the appropriate time. You may also add resources to your assignment. These can be documents uploaded from your computer, imported from your OneDrive, web links, or other materials located in your class notebook. Some ideas might include a template for students to follow, more detailed instructions, or an example product. If you import a document from your device or OneDrive, clicking the ellipses provides you an option to allow students to edit their own copy or restrict students from editing the document. Adding points to your assignment is the starting point for an incredible feature in Teams: grading. By clicking the Add Rubric link, you can upload an existing rubric document or create a new one inside of Assignments. When creating a new rubric inside of Teams, you can configure your rubric and then use it again in any future assignment. We will revisit grading with rubrics more completely in the module on the feedback cycle. When you are ready to assign this assignment to your class, click Attach and then Schedule. If you scheduled the assignment, students will see it appear at the scheduled time. If not, the assignment will be immediately available. To set up a class notebook, we will start from the Class Team main landing page. The option on the right will take us directly to the Class Notebook Setup wizard. You will go through the same steps as any class notebook setup. If you already have students in your class team, those students will automatically be added to the class notebook. When you open the class notebook, you may want to manage the notebook features by using the Manage Notebooks tab in the Class Notebook ribbon. Here are two important options for you. First, you can add the teacher-only section for materials you do not want students to be able to see or access. Second, you have the option to lock or unlock the collaboration space. If you want to enable collaboration space permissions, you will do that from the main Class Notebook portal in Office 365. When you open the collaboration space setup, you can choose a section in the collaboration space that already exists, or you can create a new one. Next, you select which students can access that section. Finally, you have the option to enable read-only access for the remainder of the class. This is great for ensuring students have a shared understanding of the work that is happening across groups. These tools are perfect for personalizing the way you and your students collaborate using the class notebook in a class team.